Yo guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you a super hot and time-sensitive method that can make you around 8 Sol in pure profit in literally 10 minutes. One of my friends who's deep into NFTs told me about this, and yeah, we need to move fast because this won't stay available for long. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how it works. Alright, here's the idea. There's a very popular NFT project on Solana called Claynosaurz, and they have a huge NFT collection. Here's their Twitter. As you can see, tons of updates, announcements, all that stuff. And today they opened phase 2 of their public mint. If you don't know what that means, ask ChatGPT. But long story short, it means we can mint NFT directly from the project at a fixed price, which is extremely rare unless it's a brand new drop. So I went to Magic Eden and look at this. Their collection has massive trading volume, the floor price is 12 Sol, and the top offer right now is 11 Sol. For anyone who doesn't know, top offer is the price someone is already offering to instantly buy an NFT from this collection. Let me open any random NFT. Here, this one is listed for 15 Sol, top offer on it is 11 Sol. And honestly, most items are priced similarly. The difference is only around 5 to 10%. So what's the trick here? Why is this so profitable? The thing is, since Claynosaurz opened the second mint phase, the mint price is only 3 Sol. Yes guys, just 3 Sol. This is insane. Not many people know about it yet, but people who do are already minting and instantly flipping. And that means we can mint an NFT for 3 Sol and immediately sell it on Magic Eden for 11 Sol using the top offer. That's an 8 Sol profit, instantly. This is a massive opportunity. I'll leave all the links in the pinned comment. If the mint is still open when you watch this, hurry up and grab your profit. Here's MoonPay, and as you can see, the Claynosaurz mint is available for 3 Sol. I already minted from all my wallets, so now I'm sharing this with you. You just connect your wallet or pay via QR, whatever works for you. Then, within a minute, the NFT arrives in your wallet. I recommend Phantom, but any wallet is fine. Then you go straight to Magic Eden. I'll link it below. Connect your wallet and sell your NFT instantly at top offer. And that's it guys. This method lets you earn around 8 Sol in just a couple of minutes. But again, hurry, because this only works while phase 2 of the mint is still active. I'll leave the mint link and Magic Eden link in the description, plus a detailed step-by-step guide so you can repeat everything quickly. That's all. Wish you all big profits, thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.